Are you kidding me? They don't actually let me into the kitchen with all those sharp knives and hot surfaces. Hey, it's Maher, and for the past 35 years, Earls Restaurants has been serving up great food prepared with the freshest ingredients every single day. Many restaurants start their days before the crack of dawn, where a team of skilled bakers and chefs prepare for the day's service. In this playlist, I'll be trying out some of the recipes from the Earls Cookbook, featuring 110 of your favorite recipes from throughout the company's history. If you don't have a copy of the Earls Cookbook, that's fine. Head on over to my website, heysmaher.com, for all the recipes we're going to make, and follow along with these videos as you try them out yourself. Most of these recipes amount to a generous portion for about 4 people, but can easily be adjusted for bigger or smaller groups. While many recipes will require fresh proteins or fresh vegetables, dried spices like oregano, thyme, and parsley are a suitable stand-in when the recipe calls for a little bit of flavor added to the mix. Other staples include fats like vegetable oil, butter, and olive oil, seasonings like peppercorn, salt, and garlic, along with bakery items like flour, sugars, yeast, and extracts. You don't need fancy mixers or bread-proofing ovens to make the dishes found in the Earls Cookbook. In fact, a lot of the times making a quick dip or sauce is a lot cleaner and easier to control with a metal whisk in a small bowl. Although if you have a fancy mixer and you want to use it, who the hell am I to stop you? At least I'm not the one cleaning it up. Head on over to my website, heysmaher.com, to check out all the other stuff I do, along with more of these Earls recipes, along with some behind the scenes clips, bloopers, and screw ups. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and as always, thanks for watching.